Aesthetics are an important consideration when designing and building a greenhouse door. Usually, the entrance of the greenhouse is the most visible part of the greenhouse. So, choose a door that's attractive. And usually, the plastic doors are less attractive, but the problem is wooden doors are susceptible to warping. Greenhouse environments are very humid, and you often have a lot of temperature fluctuation within a greenhouse. So you need to make sure that whatever door you're selecting is not only attractive, but also durable enough that it will tolerate the temperature extremes within a greenhouse. If you're using wood with a thin veneer, that veneer can just expand and contract and can expand and contract. And over time, it will start to fall apart. So make sure that your building materials are tolerant of high humidity. And also, ideally, make sure that it's a durable material overall and one that can tolerate exterior environments. Maybe it has snow on one side and high humidity and high temperatures on the other side. So there's a lot of kind of volatility in terms of temperature within a greenhouse. Make sure it's insulative as well, ideally. You don't want a lot of air escaping the greenhouse in the middle of winter. But yeah, a big part of it comes down to aesthetics. What are you going to enjoy looking at? And the door is your entryway to the greenhouse. So ideally, it's a pleasurable experience to move in and out of.